one of my best friends, Yuan. So she has a podcast, Hello 20s, and then she also has YouTube, and I'm just so excited because we met on Instagram and we're meeting for the first time in real life. So we talk like every single day. We've been friends, I feel like, for about a year now, but we didn't really start talking until August. So I guess August will be like our 1 year friend-iversary. I'm just like super excited now because I have like 20 more minutes of my drive. Not me being dramatic. I sent Jan a video of me screaming, being like, oh my god, I'm here, or like, oh my god, I'm so excited, and she read it and didn't say anything, guys. So should I go home? Okay, let me calm down, stop being dramatic. She is en route. She's coming. She was just packing her car, and she also thought that I was coming later because I guess my GPS, you know how you can share your Apple Map location? That told her that I was coming like 30 minutes later than I was. But yeah, she's on the way. I need her to match my energy though. Y'all, I just get dramatic like that and extra, but it's fine. Now I'm like next to this Korean barbecue place, and I'm like, damn, like I want some Korean barbecue. Oh god, there's someone parking right in front of me. But it's fine. It's all good. It's all good. We gotta start getting used to vlogging in public anyways, so this is good practice to have someone else. At least I'm in the car, I'm not outside, so it makes it a little bit better, like a little ease into it. But yeah, I'm just so hungry now. Like all I can think about is Korean food. Girl just said she's here. I know. Stop number 2. My favorite place ever in the whole world. Raining, but if it wasn't, just imagine. Okay, we're at dinner now. This place is so cute, but we're here 30 minutes early, so we have to wait in this cold weather.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going?
Thank you so much.
I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window.
Hold on, I gotta show you the peaceful.
Take 2, let's go, John. Alright, start from the...
Oh, do I have anything in my teeth? Okay.
What did you get? Let's show us.
Okay, guys. I took a bite already. We were recording, so we're redoing this. Ciabatta bread, pesto, mozzarella, basil, and tomato. And I'm gonna fake a first bite. Okay. So this is not toasted. I was under the impression the cheese was gonna be melty, we were gonna have a good cheese pull, the bread was gonna be crispy, but it's cold. So if the weather wasn't cold right now, because it's summer, and if it was like sunny, 75, 80 degree weather, like this would be really good and refreshing. So like since today's a little bit chilly, I wish it was heated up, but it's still really good.
Chilling for seconds. Well, it's actually a third now.
Bakery.
Right. Better than my morning coffee.
we are taking a little quick break. We are on the way to the Smithsonian, the American Art Museum. We just went to Renwick. It was super cool. There was a really nice like light show. I guess you would call it a light show. I don't really know.
Yeah.
It's like rainbow.
With nuts and stuff. I don't even know how you describe it, to be honest.
Me either. But apparently the guy who created it said that the colors of like the light changing and like the time frame is the same as if you were to watch the sunset. But yeah, everything was made out of glass, vases, even the fish art was my favorite. What was your favorite?
I still like the ceiling nut thing.
Yeah, I think that was my favorite.
It's like I don't know if it's permanent, but it's been there for years and it hasn't like gone away, so I think it's permanent.
Yeah, but I feel like besides that, I really like the fish because I like how it was created with like toys and like knickknacks.
I like the dress too, the glass dress. That was cool.
Like Cinderella. All right, guys, we'll see you when we see you.
Muscle and it hurts.
So we're out here trying to act like main characters and dance in the rain, and going over here.
Pull the muscle. Let's just take a picture really quick and then we'll ask.
Okay guys, the salad, hella good. The schnitzel, hella good. Okay y'all, we are back from our eventful day.
What time is it? It's
7:42. We've been here for 7 hours. Like literally 7 hours. How much do you think we walked today? Like 5 miles. Not even kidding. Maybe even more.
Look at the steps. I mean, it's
15,000 steps.
And that's not even like accurate, you know?
Yeah. We ate dinner. It was super good. However, let me tell y'all what happened. So we had fries with this like aioli, like honey mustardy type sauce, and we had like fried chicken. So we got a schnitzel plate and it had like a side salad, and we were like, okay, we need more sauce. So we added an extra sauce. First of all, the sauce cost another extra, yeah, another $1. They were like, you had to pay extra. And we're like, okay, like whatever, we don't want dry chicken. So then it came in like in a little ramekin, and I asked her for like a to-go cup and to put like, you know, the little to-go sauce cups to put it in. She's like, no, like we don't have any, like you can just pour it on your chicken. And I was like, no, we're not gonna do that, because if we have to heat it up in the microwave, like I didn't want to heat up the sauce. So I just put the ramekin in there, and then I got caught. She came up and was like,
she's like, where's the other one? And
I was like, my dumbass was like, oh, I just put it in here. I was like, was I not allowed to do that? And she was like, no. And I was like, oh, well, I was like, you said that you didn't have a little cup for us, so I just put it in here thinking it was okay. And she's like, no. So she gave us this big ass thing
for
that much sauce.
For like a Chick-fil-A amount of sauce, you know?
Yeah. It probably looked like I was getting a video of that dude. It's vanilla ice cream and chocolate. What bite do I want first? Guys, it's finally Friday. Finally time to eat
Korean barbecue.
She doesn't sound excited. We've been talking about, well, I've been talking about this for literally, just like months, and been thinking about it every single day this week, and we've been waiting to do it on Friday, like after work, so we're finally here.